What's up, everyone? In this video I got to do some things to the 240 to get it ready. I drove it around a little bit from the last video that you guys saw, and I found out some things were wrong with it, so I got to fix that. The first thing that I have to do is the wheel bearing on the passenger right side is shot. The wheel is like completely loose, and I don't know, somehow I just went bad, I guess, from sitting. So I don't know how it works, but even when I don't drive the car, something goes bad. So yeah, I got to change the wheel bearing. And as I'm gonna do that, since I'm already gonna have the rear end jacked up, when I drove it, I found out that the shocks on the car aren't really like, I don't know the exact terms for it, but just it's compressing too much. Like, it's squatting down, I'm bottoming out the suspension pretty much. And I tried tightening the spring up, I tried playing with the dampening, and nothing really changes anything. So I just got another spring, a higher spring rate spring, and I'm gonna put those in as I'm doing this. So let me show you guys that. Here's the new hub. It's not really new, it's just like a spare hub, a used one that I had, but it's good. And then the new PBM springs. So about to put her on the jack stands, take the wheel off, and start taking everything apart so I can put in the new hub and put the new coils in, or new springs on the coils. So let me get it jacked up and I'll show you guys here what I have to do. All right, so here she is. I got her on the stands, took the wheel off, and the fun part begins. So I have the GK Tech dual caliper brackets, and it's kind of a pain in the ass to take this knuckle off because there's no room for you to take the bolts out of the calipers right there. So you got to undo like the camber arm, the traction arm on top, and like pull it backwards, loosen the calipers, take it off, and then take everything off. So it's kind of a pain in the butt to do, but let me get started. I'll show you once I start getting everything off. All right, so I took all the arms off, the coil off, and now is the part where I have to take the bolts for the calipers off. This one right here has no room, and then these ones I can reach. So let me pull the calipers off and start taking the drum setup off, and then pull the hub off. All right, I got the calipers off, the rotor off, and now I have to take this drum setup off, and I'm pretty much ready to pull the hub out. So let me do this. Gotta take a couple pictures so I remember how to put it back, because this shit's annoying. But yeah, let's get it going. All right, so got everything loose, loosen up the hub, and it's pretty much off. So I don't know if you can hear that, but got a lot of play. I don't know if I can hold the camera and show you guys, but it's just like really loose. I don't know if you can see that, but has a lot of play in the hub. So yep, just swapping this out. I gotta put everything back now and try this other hub out. So let me get everything putting back on it, and I'll do the coilover in a little bit once I'm done putting everything back. All right, so finally got the drum setup back on. Took a little bit, but I got it back. This thing's so annoying to put back on. Yeah, so let me just put the rotor on, get the calipers back on, and I have to put everything else back on. So let me get going. All right, so we got everything put back on for the hub, and I took the coil off, and I'm about to start switching out the springs. So here it is. Just got to loosen up the spring, pop the top hat out, put the new springs on, put it back, and then throw it back on the car. So let me start doing that, and I'll show you guys when I have the new springs on. All right, so we got it taken apart. Here's the old spring. It's a lot smaller even than the new ones. and is a lot lighter weight. So I don't know, I was having a problem where I tightened it all the way up and the spring still wasn't tight enough. It would still bottom out the car and just wasn't good. I needed something tighter. So let's try these out, see how these 12Ks work. Let me put them back on the coilover now and start putting it back on the car. All right, so we got the new spring on and about to throw the coilover back on the car. All right, so we got the new hub in, put the new springs on the coils, and we're pretty much done here. So just got to put the wheel back on and pretty much done with this. So let's try this out. I want to play with the suspension a little bit more and see how it works. I need to get it set up so that I can start going to the tracks and start doing some drifting. So thank you for watching my videos. If you like it, please subscribe and check back for other videos soon. Thank you. Bye.